Hi, my name is Will Benedicts and welcome to another episode of Proctor Car Tips. Today we're going to be talking about some of the most important protections available to you at the time of purchase of your new or used automobile. The first one that we'd like to talk about today is the VSC or Vehicle Service Contract. We had a family driving from Texas to Florida for a vacation visiting the most popular theme park here. A few miles outside of our dealership, their torque converter locked up, took the transmission out on their SUV as well. It was towed into our dealership. Fortunately for them, they had a vehicle service contract in place. Not only did it pay the $4,500 plus that it needed for the new torque converter and the new transmission, it gave them a rental car to continue their vacation. 2 days later, when they came back through, they picked up the vehicle, paying nothing out of pocket, and drove back home to Texas. And that is what a VSC affords you. Vehicle service contracts take the manufacturer's warranty and mirror some level of that coverage out to the time and miles you designate. Since there are many different levels of coverage, it can be tailored not only to your driving habits, not only to your length of ownership, but to your budget as well. Now let's talk a little bit about GAP insurance. GAP, or Guaranteed Asset Protection, is available for you to purchase, and it is meant to protect you from what the insurance company will not cover in the event of total loss on a vehicle. Using an example, if you finance $20,000 on the vehicle, 2 years later it gets totaled. Your insurance company gives you $12,000 for the car, but you still owe the bank $16,000. That $4,000 difference, or gap, is what this will protect you from. That way you can simply go and purchase another vehicle without having to come out of pocket for any of the expenses. We had a previous customer who had purchased a sport coupe from us a few years ago. She came in and traded it towards an SUV as they were starting a family, purchasing a house, and moving on in life. They didn't have money for a large down payment, got the SUV, and a few months later the vehicle was totaled at no fault of theirs, and fortunately everybody was okay. Their insurance company didn't offer enough to pay off the loan, and she was left with a $7,000 out-of-pocket expense. Fortunately for her, she had GAP insurance, which did exactly what it was designed to do and paid that loan entirely so she could go and get another car. Road hazard protection is meant to protect your tires and wheels from road conditions that you can't control. This is outside of the tire's manufacturer warranty covering the tread wear. For instance, if you get a nail in the side of your tire, or if you bend the rim in a pothole, Tire and Wheel will replace that wheel and tire for as long as the length of the policy. We had a couple who had just bought a new home. Beautiful house, beautiful new neighborhood. A lot of new construction, a lot of nails on the road. Their road hazard and tire warranty policy paid for 3 tires in the first year of usage due to the amount of construction debris they drove over on a daily basis. The Select Protection Package is a great way for you to bundle some of the most popular protections into one lower cost. Think major insurance carriers. When they bundle your auto, life, and home together and give you a discounted rate, that's what the Select Protection Package can do for you. Things like tire and wheel policies, alloy wheel repair, paintless dent repair, key replacement can all be bundled together into one lower cost package. We can also tailor this to the time you keep your car, the mileage you drive, and the budget that you have. Zurich Shield is an interior and exterior protection available for your vehicle. Zurich Shield is designed to put a coating over the clear coat on your vehicle's paint. It is a harder surface that adheres, makes it shinier, slicker, and less porous. That way, any contaminants that get onto the vehicle are easily wiped off. In the event that they cannot be, the warranty component of Zurich Shield makes sure that your vehicle is repainted back up to factory standards. The same applies for the interior of your vehicle. It covers the cloth in that same protective barrier. Everything comes off easy, and in the event that it isn't, it is covered under your warranty. We had a customer leave to go on a week-long cruise. When their car was left at the cruise terminal, all the love bugs from that trip down were left on the front of the vehicle. As anyone who lives in Florida knows, the paint on the front of that vehicle was completely eaten into. Fortunately, they had Zurich Shield and the warranty component repainted the front of their car. Maintenance plans are a great way for you to avoid an extra expenditure aside from your monthly payment on your vehicle. You can buy a prepaid maintenance plan locking in the prices today for maintenances up to 5 years in the future on your vehicle. We can also tailor these to your budget if you want something just as simple as an oil change and tire rotation, all the way through every major maintenance required for the ownership of your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos from Proctor Car Tips.